Alright, ayun, what is up mga ka-Preds? It's your boy Predatores, motovlog ang Predator ng Pilipinas. And for today's video, ayan, lalarga ulit tayo kahit panahon ng tag-ulan. Dahil sasamantalayin natin yung araw. Sumilip ngayon si Haring Araw, kaya babiyahe tayo today papuntang Bristol, Tarlac. Yan, grand opening nila today. Tapos meron din silang free test ride. Yun ang ating gagawin. So yun, kita-kits tayo mga ka-Pred. Siyempre, enjoy nyo yung biyahe. At cue intro muna tayo. Let's go.
Yeah, I wanna build a life worth living. I wanna be rich cause I wanna be given. I feel the time keeps ticking. I wish I had more but I'll take what's given. I just wanna pop cause I've been working a lot. I think I deserve a shot, I think I deserve a spot. Cause it's been years on this path that I walked. And if I keep going I pray I'll be at the top. When I dream big, yeah I commit. Wanted this life since I was a little kid. Never thought twice, I just did what I did.
Woo! Malapit na tayo mga ka-Preds. Ayan o yung mga kasama sa event ng Bristol, Tarlac. Lahat sila nakapark doon. Alam.
I will never give up, I will never give in. Everything I do, yeah, I do it with conviction. I've been on a mission, I ain't never quitting. Everything I do, yeah, I do it with conviction. I believe in free will, I make choices that lead to what I build. I will never give up, I will never give in. Everything I do, yeah, I do it with conviction. Give me a minute, I need to test out my limits. Like I've been shining to Guinness, I'm breaking records, I'm finished. I feel like I keep on winning. If I don't stop once a minute, I'm moving forward, I mentioned. But this is just the beginning. I've learned a lot of lessons, I've had a lot of blessings. My friends know I'm obsessive, they be chilling, I be stressing. But I don't second guess it, I'm loving every second. I see my life progressing, so I spend time investing. When I dream big, yeah I commit. Wanted this life since I was a little kid. Never thought twice, I just did what I did. Worked towards it and now I have an addiction. I've been living life like a dream, like it's fiction. I've been doing things like I have no restrictions. I don't plan to stop, no I don't plan on quitting. Everything I do, yeah I do it with conviction. I will never give up, I will never give in. Everything I do, yeah I do it with conviction. I've been on a mission, I ain't never quitting. Everything I do, yeah I do it with conviction. I believe in free will, I make choices that lead to what I build. I will never give up, I will never give in. Everything I do, yeah I do it with conviction.
Dito tayo bumalik. Sakto may dalawang pambalot.
Nasaan?
Ipumin mo. Sakto isang putahe, isang plastic. Bago tayo mag-
Nakikain ka na, manghihingi ka pa.
Hey! Alright.
Napaka-responsive niya. Hindi siya mahirap i-drive. Tsaka actually mag-guard siya eh. Pagdating sa... ang ganda din ng grip ng gulong niya. Grabe, napaka-solid. Try pa natin dirayan. Grabe. Lakas. Yun lang, dahil konti lang yung runway natin, hindi natin siya masulit. Napaka-solid. Grabe siya. Hindi pa natin nasubukan yung mga ibang modes, pero grabe. Mapapaano ka talaga, mapapawaw ka. Uy! Grabe! Di ko alam kung naririnig nyo pa ako, pero solid. Yung masasabi ko. Yan. So yun, so when it comes to sitting comfort, napaka-solid niya. Flat-footed tayo dito. Tapos yung torque niya, grabe ang lakas ng hatak niya. Umabot lang tayo hanggang third gear dahil kulang yung runway natin. Pero kung makikita ninyo, napaka-solid nito. SRT 400 ng QJ Moto. Solid. Masasuggest ko, bilhin niyo ito kasi napakalupit nito. Grabe. The best. The best. Bye-bye. Ayan na kami. Alright, so yun na mga kapreds. Tapos na tayo dun sa ating tambay today. Doon sa may Bristol Tarlac. And syempre maraming salamat sa Bristol sa pag-invite sa atin sa pagpunta ron. And congratulations sa pag-open ng kanilang Tarlac branch. Syempre, maraming salamat sa test drive. Grabe, sarap sa feeling kung napanood niyo kanina. Napakasarap and solid.
And yun na nga, tapos na tayo dito sa event natin sa may Bristol Motor Group Tarlac. Congratulations sa pag-open ng inyong bagong branch. And syempre, maraming salamat sa pagbigay ng experience na matest ride ang inyong mga motorcycles. Grabe na solid na enjoy talaga natin ang isa sa mga motor na binibenta nila. Kasi imagine ninyo, 400cc ng Bristol motorcycle, halos malapit na siya sa tunog ng inline 4 kahit hindi inline 4 ang motor. Ayan, dadagdagan na naman natin ang dream motorcycle natin. Kung umabot kayo sa part ng video nito, syempre wag nyo kakalimutan mag-like, share, and subscribe sa akin channel, Predatores Motovlog, ang Predator ng Pilipinas. Always remember to ride safe, stay safe, and God bless lagi sa inyo mga kapreds. Thank you so much for watching Predatores Motovlog, Predator ng Pilipinas. Rawr.